Hi guys, I'm Mark Leon Peña, Sales Consultant from Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos. So guys, samahan niyo ako ngayon. I-review natin itong Montero Sport GLS Automatic Transmission. Then syempre, papakita ko rin sa inyo mga previous and monthly amortization and down payment ng ating Montero. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So, front grille illumination and front camera. Then sa ating headlight is naka-LED na siya and active concerning light. And then sa ating wheels is naka 265 by 60 R18, 18 inches alloy wheels. Sa suspension is double wishbone with coil spring and stabilizer bar, 3-link coil spring stabilizer with stabilizer bar. Then naka chrome side mirror with turning signal light and keyless operating system na rin tayo. So sa engine is naka 2.4 liters, 4 inline, DOHC 16 valve, intercooled turbocharged direct injection Maybach BGT diesel Euro 4. Power output is 181 PS at 3,500 RPM. Then torque is 430 Newton meter at 2,500 RPM. So guys, dito naman tayo sa driver seat. So naka-powered window tayo. So yan. Then sa control natin ng side mirror, left and right, and then fold and unfold. Then naka-engine push start button na tayo. Then, active stability control and with parking sonar. So sa steering wheel, so nandito yung control natin ng infotainment. Then meron din tong cruise control. Then paddle shifter po. Yan, left and right yung paddle shifter natin. So guys, ito naman yung infotainment. Supported siya ng Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Then aircon natin is single zone lang. So may power outlet din tayo dito sa mga gusto mag-charge. And automatic transmission naman po to. So naka auto parking brake and brake auto hold with cup holder po. Then armrest. So may storage tayo dyan. So ayun, sa steering wheel naman tayo. So yung steering wheel pala natin is telescopic and naka 3-spoke leather wrap na siya. Pwede mo siyang tilt up and down, then pwede mo siyang adjust, takin or so yan. So ito yung ating meter cluster. So then ito yung ating seat material is black leather na po. And power adjustment seat naman siya. So pwede siyang i-adjust. Depende po sa saan kayo komportable. So guys, ayan po yung sa driver seat natin. So dito naman tayo sa second row. So ayan, naka leather wrap pa rin naman, naka leather seat pa rin naman tayo. Then meron tayong one power outlet na 150 watts. So dyan pwede tayo mag-charge. Then meron pa rin tong center armrest. So guys, yung ating second row. Then punta naman tayo dito sa third row. So ito yung third row with cup holder pa rin po. So very spacious naman siya. So yan. So guys, dito naman tayo sa rear. So ito yung rear natin, LED rear combination light. So yun, meron tayong antenna and then third brake assist. So yan. So dito is meron tayong rear camera. Then ito, yan. So dito is meron tayong reflector and rear under garnish natin. So yun, dito naman tayo sa passenger seat. So yun. Dito yung ating glove box. Open lang natin. So yan, hindi ko ma-open masyado. Yun. So yun guys, ang ating Montero GLS Automatic. So ayun guys, yung monthly amortization natin and down payment for Montero Sport GLS automatic. So ipo-flash ko na lang siya dyan sa akin screen. And then kung meron kayong inquiries regarding sa Montero Sport manual transmission, so ilalagay ko na rin dyan sa screen yung monthly amortization natin and down payment natin. Then also sa manual transmission is pwede rin natin i-upgrade yan. Upgrade to Black Series looks. Inquiries, message lang po ako sa aking contact number. Then sa aking social media account. Kita-kits po tayo sa release day.